Okay, so here's my starting code. As you can see, I have a mat A with matrices with different numbers plugged in with a message, and then mat A2 has more numbers in a matrix C, and I have another message. So basically, I'm creating an object with another multiply class, which I'll get into in a second, that does a certain function, which is mat A times message1, which is our decoded message, and here's another decoded message with object 2, which is the same thing with these ones instead. So here's my second code, and as you can see, it kind of goes through all the stuff, has the messages, which is these right here, and it has some scalar multiplication. It has consists of all the mat A and B's and different matrices that would be getting plugged into those equations in the first one. And I'm basically defining the values in here, basically assigning them to different types of multiplication, like I'm doing the inverse over here for mat A. I'm doing the inverse of a scalar, which is going over the scalar. I'm basically just making more equations that we did in the past in another file, so I don't have to write it in this file right here, and I can just kind of use that class, and which makes it a lot easier than just typing the whole thing out again. So I'm basically decoding it, or encoding it, and then decoding it, and then it's going to print it out at the bottom. So we'll just run it and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, it might be a little hard to read, but it printed out the answers. So it has the letters of the message correlated with the answer. It did it for the first one here, and it starts at the second one right here. So you can see I used two classes, and I used what I did in the multiply class and put it in this one over here. So that's pretty much it.